Hey, what's up, everybody? So, we're Brian and Brad from the Florida Jeep Boys, and we're not here to do another product review video, but we're here to do a follow-up of a previous product review video from Adam's Driveshafts. We're going to talk about how to properly maintain those so they can last you a very, very long time for your off-roading needs.
That's right, Brian. Proper maintenance is key. So we're just going to give you a couple quick pointers and tips to help you take care of your investment with Adam's Driveshafts. So the biggest thing that I like to talk about is quality of grease. Quality of grease is going to help go the longevity between your re-greasings. So I like to use Swepco, and they have a chrome moly version of their grease, and it has moly molecules in it, and that helps for the friction between all the metal parts, like the bearing caps and the U-joints and the actual slit portion of the shaft itself. So I like to usually say, like you said, about every oil change or so is a good time to grease it. Now, depending on how much you wheel, where you're wheeling is going to obviously change that. So if you're out on the West Coast and you're one of those people that takes your oil change to 7,500 miles, you could probably do it at 7,500 miles. You could probably do it even longer than that, depending on the quality of the grease. But here down in Florida, it's wet, it's muddy. The intrusion of water obviously affects all greases, some more than others. Back to quality of grease. But you'll end up doing it more. So definitely take care of these shafts because it's your investment.
These are really great shafts that Adam's Driveshafts have built for us while we're using them on the trail. So be sure to take care of them. So right now we're going to show you these two tips, and we'll get back to you.
Yeah. So here underneath the Jeep, we've got our Adams front drive shaft, and this is going to apply the same to as the rear. So you'll find your first Zerk fitting here on the shaft for the slit portion of the shaft, and when you fill this with grease, it's going to grease your spline. And then also, you can't see it, but about here there's going to be another Zerk fitting, and that's going to grease your U-joint. So you definitely want to keep your U-joints greased and your spline greased, and that will prolong Adam's drive shaft. All right, so as you've seen, it's been a few weeks since we installed the shafts when we originally did the review, and we just showed you where the Zerk fittings are and how to grease them. And it's pretty simple, and just it's all there is to it. You got to take care of these shafts so they can take care of you.
Yeah, so Adam's Driveshafts is located in Vegas. Vegas is known for gambling. Don't gamble with your rig, and you won't when you buy from Adam's Driveshafts.
And until then, see you on the trail, and don't forget, Florida Trail Stompers on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of these product review videos, helpful tips and hints and tricks. And until then, we'll see you on the trail.
Yeah, take care.